Amazon Travel Finds and Must-Haves Part 2. First is the zippered travel jewelry case. It helps you stay organized and keeps your jewelry from getting tangled. It also has distinct sections for necklaces, rings, earrings, and more. Second, we have this memory foam travel neck pillow. It has an adjustable clasp to keep a snug fit. It also has a strap to wrap around the headrest so you don't lean over while sleeping. Best of all, it compresses down to fit in this handy carrying case. Next is this universal travel adapter. It works for over 150 countries. It has an AC socket, USB ports, and a Type-C port. This came in super handy when we were traveling across the UK and Europe. We then have this collapsible waterproof backpack. This is compact and very lightweight. It's great if you're traveling somewhere and know you'll want a backpack. It has water bottle pockets on both sides. Plus, it has adjustable straps to get the right fit. Next are these reusable shoe bags. They're perfect for separating dirty shoes from clean clothes. They come in a 4-pack with 2 different sizes. Then we have this handy luggage scale. This is really helpful when packing to avoid overweight luggage fees. To start, wrap the belt around the handle, secure, you turn on the scale, then lift to get the weight. It's also small enough to throw in carry-on if you need to pack it with you. Next are these reusable silicone toiletry bottles. There's also a suction cup on the back to place on a shower wall. Plus, it has adjustable built-in labels, so you don't have to guess what's in each bottle. We have found these to be leak-proof as well. They come in a pack of 4 with 2 different size bottles, 2 ounces and 3 ounces. We then have this travel case for a Nintendo Switch. This hard case helps your controllers and console from getting crushed. It's big enough for extra controllers or Joy-Cons and an AC adapter. Plus, it has slots for 24 gaming cartridges and a built-in stand. Next, we have these compression packing cubes. They come in a 4-pack with various sizes. These are great for staying organized and saving space in your suitcase. They easily fit in a carry-on suitcase as well. Plus, they come in a variety of colors. Lastly are these beach and pool towel clips. They come in a 2-pack. On a breezy day, these really help your towels stay in place. We have also found these very useful on cruise ships as well. Plus, the clips add a little character with their fun designs. That's all for now. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos from us, don't forget to subscribe. And click that notification bell if you want to know when our next video comes out. Thanks for watching!